Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve failure on the application of a Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Uber app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.